Living in a coastal environment comes with undeniable perks, beautiful views, warm weather, and a relaxed lifestyle. But in a place like Miami Beach, your home's exterior also has to stand up to intense sun, humidity, salt air, and occasional storms. That's why choosing the right entry door is more than just a design decision. It's about durability, performance, and long-term peace of mind. Low-maintenance entry doors are specifically designed to handle these challenges while keeping your home looking great year-round. For homeowners in Miami Beach, they offer the perfect balance of style and resilience without the constant upkeep traditional materials often require. One of the biggest challenges in coastal climates is moisture. High humidity and salty air can cause certain door materials, like wood, to warp, swell, or rot over time. Low-maintenance entry doors made from materials such as fiberglass or steel are engineered to resist these issues. They don't absorb moisture the same way wood does, which means they maintain their shape, strength, and appearance even in damp conditions. Salt air is another factor that can take a toll on your home's exterior. Over time, it can lead to corrosion and surface damage. Modern entry doors built for coastal environments often feature protective coatings and finishes that resist rust and deterioration. This added protection helps your door stay looking newer for longer, even with constant exposure to the elements. Sun exposure in Miami Beach is also intense throughout the year. Prolonged UV exposure can fade paint, discolor surfaces, and weaken materials. Low-maintenance doors are designed with UV-resistant finishes that help preserve their color and integrity. This means you won't have to worry about frequent repainting or refinishing to keep your entryway looking fresh. Beyond durability, these doors are incredibly easy to care for. Unlike traditional wood doors that require regular sanding, staining, or sealing, low-maintenance options typically only need occasional cleaning with mild soap and water. This is a major advantage for busy homeowners who want their home to look great without investing a lot of time in upkeep. Energy efficiency is another important benefit, especially in a warm climate. High-quality entry doors are built with insulated cores and tight seals that help keep cool air inside and heat outside. This reduces the workload on your air conditioning system, leading to improved comfort and potentially lower energy bills. In a place like Miami Beach, where cooling costs can add up quickly, this is a valuable feature. Security is just as important as durability. Low-maintenance entry doors are often constructed with strong, reinforced materials that provide excellent protection for your home. Many models also come with advanced locking systems, giving you added confidence that your home is secure without compromising on style. Speaking of style, homeowners don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for performance. Today's low-maintenance entry doors come in a wide range of designs, colors, and finishes. Whether you prefer a sleek modern look or something more traditional, there are options that complement your home's architecture while still standing up to Miami Beach's demanding climate. Another advantage is long-term value. Because these doors are built to last and require minimal upkeep, they can save you money over time. You'll spend less on repairs, refinishing, and replacements, making them a smart investment for any homeowner looking to protect their property. Ultimately, choosing a low-maintenance entry door is about making life easier while ensuring your home is prepared for the coastal environment. With the right door, you can enjoy lasting durability, improved energy efficiency, and a beautiful entryway that enhances your home's overall appeal. For homeowners in Miami Beach, it's a practical upgrade that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits, without the hassle of constant maintenance.